27th sitting of the National Assembly commenced with the reading of several bills, among them the National System Payments Bills, the Local Authorities Amendment Bill, and the Juvenile Justice Bill. Here are the details.
Minister of Public Security Kamrat Ramjatan said that the government of Guyana is seeking to strengthen the juvenile justice system, making it more responsive to the youth and their situation. He took this position to the National Assembly today when he presented the Juvenile Justice Bill 2018 for the second time.
In this day and age, we have to provide a humane alternative to incarceration for young lawbreakers. This certainly will assist in helping them avoid falling deeper into a life of crime and helping our country, as I said earlier, from becoming a jailhouse nation.
The bill makes provision for those alternatives, the minister explained.
Other alternative sanctions or diversions can come from the newly created Office of Director of Juvenile Justice. It would be up to the creativity and the imagination of this office to come up with more innovative diversions, which of course must ensure the young offender is dealt with in a manner appropriate to his or her well-being and proportionate to the circumstances of the offense.
The Juvenile Justice Bill seeks to amend and consolidate the law in relation to criminal justice for juveniles and make provision for proceedings with respect to young offenders. It also provides for the establishment of facilities for the custody, education and rehabilitation of those offenders. Alexis Rodney for InfoHub.